Hey everyone, welcome to Learn with Vishal. In this video, we are going to cover marketing mix, the 4 P's: product, price, place, and promotion. So, before going on into the 4 P's, first let's just understand what is a marketing mix. Marketing mix is a simple tool, or we can say these are the tactics or tools that helps businesses sell better. Marketing mix is a concept in a marketing course where we'll get into the understanding of the 4 P's of the marketing. These 4 P's are product, price, place, and promotion. In product, we are saying that what we are going to sell. In price, how much it costs, and then in place where we are going to sell it, and then in promotion how people are going to hear about our product. Let's just get into deep. First marketing mix is product. What you sell, goods or services. When we are talking about goods, that means tangible products, and when we are talking about services, that means intangible products. When you are going to start a business, you may be going to offer goods or you are going to offer services. Goods, for example, if you are going to start an automobile company, you are offering goods. If you are going to start a mobile shop, you are offering good. That is tangible product. Tangible product means that we can hear, that we can touch, that we can touch. And for example, if you're going to open a restaurant, if you are going to start a restaurant, so in restaurant you are offering services like hospitality services, staff services, or you are going to start a hospital. In hospital you are providing services. If you are going to start a school, you are providing services that are intangible, like we cannot touch them, we cannot see them. So when you are going to start a business, either you are going to choose goods to provide to your customers, or you are going to choose services to provide to your customers. So it's very important that whatever you are offering, that must meet customer needs. In the product mix, these things are included. First, the quality of the product, the features of the product, the design of the product, the brand of the product, and the packaging of the product. What is the labeling of the product? What is the overall packaging of the product? For example, we are going to take an example of an Apple iPhone. New features and strong brand. What iPhone is providing us new features, and iPhone is providing us a strong brand awareness. So all these things are included in the first P of marketing mix, where we are going to plan and channelize our product. Next, price is basically the amount of money customer pays to get that product. For example, I'm going to purchase a mobile, so how much I have to pay to the business to get that mobile. So this is the price, the amount you are going to pay to get a product or services. And the price is very important in the marketing mix. If, like, price basically sets according to the revenue and the profit margin of the business, and price is affected by demand and profit. How much demand of the product is and how much profit margin has business set. So pricing strategies are very important for your product. You can set a cheap price to attract customer, or you can set expensive price to target elite class customer, or you can offer discounts or special offers to gather a large audience. Let's just take an example. Sometimes businesses offer cheap price at the start of the business to attract a larger number of audience to their business. And sometimes, like, just take an example of iPhone. IPhone targets hardly high class people, because its products are very expensive, so its target audience is only elite class. But on the other hand, some businesses offer discounted prices, special offers to to make customers loyal with their business. Okay, let's take an example of Netflix. Netflix have different plans for different users. Even Netflix offers student packages, very low budget packages, so that Netflix can target a broader audience. So when you are setting price for your product, you have to keep in mind your market, how much radius of market you are covering. Next, moving on to the place, how your product is going to be accessible to the people, how your product reaches the people, how you are going to access your customer. If you have the right product, you have set the right price, but you have not set the right place and time for the product place, your business can face failure. It's very important that you decide whether you are going to make an online appearance of your page, or going to open a physical shop. If you are going to open an online store, which area, which city, how many radius of the city you are going to cover. If you are opening a physical shop, which area, or whether you are opening it in the center of the city, whether you are opening it in some backward area, whether you are opening it in a market where the market is full of your competitors. All these factors should be considered before launching your product into the market. You have to be very careful about the distribution channel of your product, about the location of your product. For example, Amazon offer very fast delivery everywhere. So you have to be at a right location so that you can provide speedily delivery. You can be easily accessible to your customer, because nowadays competition is very high, and you have to be very careful while deciding these 4 P's of your marketing mix. Last is promotion. You have made a product or services, you have set a compatible price, you have decided a good place for your product. Now how people are going to be aware of your product, how people are going to get to know that they have a product in the market now. For that, you have to promote your product. That is all about marketing, how you are going to make people, your brand, recognized. For that, you run ads, you set a budget for advertisement, you offer discounts, you offer social media campaigns, you make social media pages, you run ads over there, then you make public relations with your customers, you personally sell your customer. Personal selling may include face-to-face communication with your customers. For example, Coca-Cola. In Coca-Cola ads, you might have noticed that there is often an emotion of happiness or emotion of sharing. How so this is how they connect with their customers. So the integration of 4Ps, all these 4Ps work together to make customers happy. If you change one, that can affect other. For example, Tesla offer premium product, high price, exclusive stores, creative ads. All 4 Ps of the Tesla works together to make customers happy. So you how 4Ps help your businesses. They help you to meet customer needs, they help you to beat your competitors and build strong brand image. So these are 4 Ps are very important for the success in marketing. So that's all for the 4 Ps. I hope you will find this video helpful. Do subscribe my channel and comment down below what you want in the next video. Thank you for watching.